Hi. As Ashok, we don't want it to be very formal. In fact, when we started MAN, it was like 20, almost 25 years ago, and we had we registered the company, not the company, the association, and we had a formal body, which I think we need to revive again. One of the reasons why it went into hibernation was because there was no continuity. The people who started, no one else came forward and took it forward. I think so that needs to be addressed this time around. But we would like to keep this very informal. We don't want a very formal structure, at least to start with. And one of the reasons I think why we also went into hibernation was nothing was planned as events over the years. So to start with, I would propose that at least we have one dinner every year, which is like a formal dinner, which would at least benchmark our meeting together every year. You can have a picnic, you can have whatever. So if we can have at least one event, and maybe on school's birthday, 11th March can be a fixed date. So at least we have Mount Hermon Alumni Association Nepal, which has a dinner every year. Do a formal dinner, and then thereafter, whatever other events you want to do, you can continue. So partying in Kavi's house or in Anil's house can be a bi-monthly thing. But at least the dinner, let's keep a formal thing once a year. And the other thing we need to also decide is, we should have a president, and we should have maybe 2 or 3 office bearers, so that someone is taking responsibility to arrange the meetings and to take this forward. We don't want a very structured system because we don't want any money involved also. So whenever you have dinners, and it should be on contribution basis, and we just go along on that basis. Yeah. So yeah, ticket and also obviously we don't want gate crashes, and also tickets and things like that can be arranged. So that is for later. But I think the agenda here at the moment should be, if we can decide, maybe have 2 or 3 generation within the committee. President, maybe a secretary, a treasurer, and maybe 1 or 2 others. So maybe you can have from the 70s, I see from the 70s 1 person, then maybe someone from the 80s, 90s, and maybe 2000. If you do like that, then maybe you cover. And from India and elsewhere, they can be, honorary or members and things like that. Yeah, like we have Don from Delhi, Harsh Khanna. He's the yellow Don, you're the main Don. So we can do that. The other thing we wanted to discuss was, some of us have children in Mount Hermon still, Goofy being here, and Goofy, where's Goofy? Goofy going through at the moment, and Goofy has some ideas in terms of what he wants to help the school with. So I'll hand this over to Goofy and let him take it.
Thank you, Bachchan. First and foremost, I'd like to welcome our friends from all over India who's made the time, to be here. It was not supposed to be this big, but it's big. It's happening. MH guys do that, So that's anything. We don't go for small, we go for small, right? Anyway, it's so good to have you guys here. We hadn't thought of this as being this magnitude, Anyway, just come to the point. You guys know what's been talked about. The situation in school, everybody's talking about MH, But the reality out there sucks. Sorry for my language, but then my daughter is there, and then few people I know have the kids out there. So the reality out there is the school situation is very, very, very bad right now. Administrative-wise, management-wise, and the teachers are doing the best, I believe. I was there in June during the swimming gala time, as you might know, and nothing seems to be organized out there. We don't know who's running the school, who's running the show. And the only thing, hopefully now, our hope is Calcutta guys, take a major step in that, because they are closest there, and with the bishop, and it's run by the Methodist Church right now. but and can be better. There are a lot of ways where you can make it better, and we'll be coming up with soon like a few programs too, where things can be better, you know. So the only thing is like the project we have. Let me just tell you guys, our badge, like the thing, what we come with, like since our badge left is 25th year. 25th year we left school, like ISIS thing. So like so we are having a reunion this year. It's just within it's supposed to be within the batch, but I'm telling you guys, you know, this December during going home day time, we have a reunion, our batch. So when we have a reunion, we said maybe we like to contribute something for the school. So this time we came up with the idea of like every talk about Mountain Bakery, and of course the thing, and like so we are hoping to donate oven for the school. The invoices already come. The quotation have come, and we talked to the principal, the management, everything. They have agreed. We're in the process. So we're just thinking, hopefully, a batch can do some projects, small things like that, you know, small things, making a desk for the classroom, maybe coloring the corridor or something like that. If any batches get together and do something, contribute something to the school, that's just the idea we just try to generate. Hopefully, it will succeed, and I know it will succeed, you know, with you guys, your help and all. Anyway, just we can make school image better. Everybody talks about this glorified of the school, you know. It will not come to that glorification, but we can make it better. I think so, right? Next is Anil on the mic.
Hi guys, and Goofy, don't laugh. Actually, I can't speak spontaneously like how you do. For this meet, personally, it's an accomplishment by itself that we are meeting here for reviving our old association Mahan. Before speaking about what we could do as activities, I first need to thank my fellow Harmonites, classmates who have honored us by joining us at this meet. They have taken time out from their really very busy life to come all the way from India, especially to support us and join us on this occasion and support our mission for reviving Mahan. Thank you once again, friends. You truly carry the Harmonized spirit in word and in action. Okay. Later on, of course, I'd like to invite somebody from who have come because they have got some gifts also for us. It's been since 25 years that Mahan's last get-together party in the mountains happened. A lot has changed, both in terms in life, and also I am sure second generations of alumni have passed from the school. Party in the mountains was once in a lifetime experience for all of those who got the chance to be part of it. I am here to speak about some of the activities we could do for 2015, and I am sure many of you who are here today would have equally better ideas to suggest. So please do share the same with all here today. One proposal that did come up when we were talking over lunch was, of course, it is a big challenge to do this, maybe too early. Can we have an international get-together, destination Pokhara, like a 2-night program, like what the similar they are having in Bhutan in 2015? I'll just give you a brief outline so that gives a kickstart to the discussion. But you all may want to do it, may not want to do it. I'll just give a small brief outline that just to kickstart. It may happen in 2015, may happen in 2016. We want to call it Harmonite Pokhara 2015-2016. The brief outlay would be that somewhere around the timing could be somewhere around December. We have to take all our guests to Pokhara. Then maybe there will be lunch there. There will be formal dinner like with the Mount Hermon theme. Maybe we could have a poolside lunch. If you do it in the summertime, you can have a swimming pool sort of a program, sightseeings, maybe a dance party like we had in Party in the Mountains. So it's a challenge. It's a bit of a challenge to take that project just now, but you all can keep in mind. Bachchan already told about the less challenging programs like once a year definitely or twice a year we can have outdoor picnics or a formal dinner, or we can have a one-night stay over in the within 50 or 60 kilometers like Nagarkot, Dhulikhel, all these areas. So there are a lot of activities I think so that we can do to know that Mahan is alive. So I lost my speech. Just give me a minute. A Facebook message which I got from somebody, and he wanted this to be read in the Mahan meet. Is from Chunju Andrew Goods. He's from NP. Okay, he said thank you. FR is father. Father Kinle Chiring, who has done so much for NP and all the good charity work he is doing right now for the poor children of jobless tea garden workers in West Bengal, who are literally starving to death. We have a reunion in his honor during this visit to New York on November 22nd. Your song will be a great show of support. Thank you. Thanks again and best wishes to all. Chunju.